Stone Baton. Let's see this bitch.
Get your teeth.
Self-defense 101. Let's do this.
Self-defense with Tom Smith.
Self-defense and flashlight. What did I just say?
That's how I get away with it. Self-defense, Tom. Yeah, look at that boss.
Look at that thing.
Fuck
This is a serious
yeah.
weapon. You can smash that into people too. The anti-chopper cut. So you can defend yourself against fucking people with
Knife attack.
knives.
Or swords, yeah.
You're like, fuck your knife, I'll electrocute you.
Look at this fucking thing. It's so cool. And then we're gonna get the barbarian one after Dave, so we'll have 2 stun guns. Nice. Yeah, this is the charger. Hell yeah! Look at that. See, he's not as big as I thought it would be, but fuck it. That's awesome. Yeah, don't try it.
Wait, what's the shocking part? There is no shocking?
At the end. Is there metal?
Oh, there's metal in there, okay.
And it has light, so you can blind people. Yeah, so you can like
But
disorient
wait.
them.
Oh.
Careful.
How do you know if it works or not?
I think it needs to be charged. Oh wait, I don't know though, because it has light coming on.
Yeah, so like, I don't know. I think
Just careful, careful.
it works.
Oh well, yeah, it's got it. Don't do it! Don't do it! No, 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 no! Yeah, look at that. See, look at all the metal on it. Really fuck someone up. I almost got the version that was
Yeah, some of them actually are quick.
weaker. Don't turn it. Don't turn it on. No, no, no! Don't zap yourself.
Ah!
Turn it on! Turn it on!
Look. Ah, it's gonna fucking hurt. Ah!
It's okay, turn the zapper off. Fuck! I'm so glad I bought it.
Ah!
That will get someone to leave the house. Dude, like right in the parking lot.